In the name of Anem this Carl, on this cobia, and the pelted thongs a path, alone, who the Joe bigger be he, forshapen his pig-made hawk's head, shrunk his plod's foot, he hath locked toes, this short shins, and obiole that's pectoral, his mamma muscles most mysterious. It is slaking nuncheon out of something's brain pan. Me seemeth a dragon man. It's almost on the keep fief by here is Comstiple Sankstown. Be it Juniper or February or mackerels, or Elbril or the ramping riots of Porius and Frorius. What a quahar sort of man is evident in the Mitchin Daddy. Let we overstep his fire defences and these kraals of slit-sucked magbones. Cave he can, preposterous in the pillory ways to Hicolulus pillar. Come on, fool, portaful, hoisted women, blown monksua, scusus, chorley guy, you toller dusk donsk, you tall scatif scowegian. Spaghetti and glaze. Fonio saxo. Clear also. 'Tis a jute. Let us swap hats and excheck a few strong verbs. Weak ouch. The yap yazard abast the bloody creeks. Jute. Utah. Mutt. Mux pleasured. Jute. Are you Jeff? Mutt. Some hards. Jute. But are you not Jeff Mute, Mutt? No ho, only an utterer, Jute. Whoa, what's the matter with you? Mutt, I became a strummer. Jute, what a horrible thing to be caused. How, Mutt? I put the battle, third. Jute, whose poddle, wherein, Mutt? The inns of Dugtarf were used or to be he. Jute, you that side, your voice almost inedible to me, become a bitskin more wiseable as if I were you. Mutt, has atancy, Bahuru usurp. I tremble from wrath in mine minds when I rim, jute. One eye gone black, bisons is bisons, let me for all your hastency, cross your qualm with trink gilt, ye have a sylvan coin, a piece of oak, guineas, he is good for you. Mutt, Louis, how wouldn't I not know it, the interlibel greycock Cedric, silky shag, seed meal, faulty rices for one dabbling bar, old grizzly growlsy, he was poached in on the egg-tential spot, here where the liveries, monomarch, they were Messrs. Mooney, Minikin, Passe. Jute, simply because, as Taciturn pretells, a wrong story shortener, he dumpsied the whole brow or rubber, guess on soil to hear. Mutt, just how Puddingstone in at the brook sells by a Liverpool jute, Lord O'Malshy, with wad for a nurse like Sumler with bull or clop turf, Rux rorum rex room, I could snore to him by the spumy horn, with his woolsy side in by neck I am Saturn on, did Brian de Ovlin. Jute, boil Doyle and raw honey on me, when I can furlery fostound a weird from Stirk to Finnegan in such pat-wat as your Rotterdam rotter, unheard of unseen, get after meal, see you doomed. Mutt, quite a gleam, perceive a sec, Walker done blink roundward this old battle, and you skull see how old ye plain of my elders hand free, and yours were wont to sail Wimbrel to Pee-wee over saltings, we will be city by law, Isthman where the droit of signatory ice flow was from, his inn at the beginning was flincher punked. Let hear him, Raha murmur, mere merge, two races, sweat and brack, mothering rue, hither cracking eastwards, they are in servants, hence cool at ebb they requiesce, countlessness of liveries have never fallen. This plague flickers flow flake slickers from aloft like a waste wizard of all whirlwords. Now are all tombed in the mound, Isges to Isis, Erd from Erd, pride, oh pride, thy prize, jute. Stench, but fiat fuit. Here yonder lie they, large and the small, and ever night life. Also the estranged Babylon, the great grand hotel with tittle house up on earwig, drunken on ild, Lycius equal to unequal in this sound symmetry with his Liebes love, jute. Zmord, Mut meddle delays by fierce wave behound des ponds sung, and thence and tross mound have swallowed them all. This earth of ours is not same brick dust, and being humus the same o'erturns. Ye who runes may read it all fours, oxical, nucleusal, truckleusal, crumbling. Tell me, sue the fair humbling, lady fair, but speak it all siftly, moulder, be in your wished. Mut the giant forficules with Amni the Fay, jute, hower, mut, here's a vickening grab, jute, wad, mut, are you astonished, jute you, jute, oi, am, thon, thor, struck, thing, mud.